Welcome to BDC Prive, Delhi's premier destination for aesthetic excellence. At BDC Prive, we pride ourselves on using the latest US FDA-approved technologies and equipment, ensuring the highest standards of safety and effectiveness for our clients. Our methodologies are research-based and result-oriented, offering you a journey of transformation under professional guidance. जहां आपको इंडियन मेथोडोलॉजी और लग्जरी एम्बियंस का परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन मिलेगा. Experience elite ambience and luxury combined with unparalleled comfort. Our clinic is designed to provide you with a serene and sophisticated environment, making every visit a delightful experience. Located conveniently with ample parking, BDC Prive offers a seamless experience from the moment you arrive. We uphold the highest standards of hygiene and sterilization. Our team comprises highly skilled doctors and trained professional staff dedicated to honest and ethical practices. With over 28 years of legacy, BDC Prive brings you a wealth of experience and expertise. Utilizing world-class US FDA-approved equipment, we provide non-invasive, result-oriented approaches for hair, face, skin, and body treatments. Our advanced technologies include DermaFrac, an advanced 4-in-1 treatment combining crystal-free microdermabrasion, microneedling with simultaneous infusion followed by LED light. It effectively treats fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores, and congested skin with no downtime. Dilase XL, an advanced laser hair removal procedure that safely and gently eliminates unwanted hair, combining efficacy, patient comfort, and speed. Morpheus 8, a radiofrequency microneedling device that remodels the skin to reveal a radiant, youthful appearance. Forma, a non-surgical bipolar radiofrequency technology that stimulates collagen production, giving the skin a lifted, tightened, and contoured appearance. UL Therapy, the only FDA-cleared non-invasive procedure that lifts the neck, chin, and brow and improves lines and wrinkles on the upper chest through ultrasound imaging. Lumica, the most powerful intense pulsed light treatment for pigmented and vascular lesions, providing a photofacial through comfortable light treatment. Dermapen 4, a revolutionary skin treatment that stimulates the skin's natural healing processes, improving texture, tone, and overall appearance. HIFU, High-Intensity Focused Ultrasound, a non-invasive procedure for skin tightening and facial rejuvenation, promoting collagen production for a more youthful appearance. Emerald Laser, the only fat loss device with FDA clearance for treating patients with a BMI up to 40, morbid obesity, unmatched in effectiveness for fat loss and reducing body circumference. Lutronic Hollywood Spectra, the world's leading laser platform for reducing unwanted pigmentation and restoring glowing skin, capable of tattoo removal, treating dark spots, melasma, and performing the Hollywood Spectra peel. QR678 Neotherapy, a proprietary first-in-class therapy that arrests hair fall and increases the thickness, number, and density of existing hair follicles, leading to greater coverage in hair loss. Low-level laser therapy, also known as red light therapy and cold laser therapy, it irradiates photons to encourage hair growth. Hair transplant. Our expert team offers advanced hair transplant procedures to restore your hairline and boost your confidence with natural-looking results. Our approach is tailored to your unique needs, combining therapies for the best results with minimum downtime. Whether it's a rejuvenating facial, body contouring, or hair reduction, our treatments are designed to enhance your natural beauty. At BDC Prive, we believe in transparent and ethical practice. We provide clear guidance and support throughout your journey, ensuring you achieve your aesthetic goals with confidence and ease. Enjoy multiple and easy modes of payment, making your experience smooth and hassle-free. Step into a world of aesthetic excellence, transform your appearance and boost your confidence at BDC Prive. Book your consultation today and embark on a journey to a more beautiful you.